Hey, good afternoon. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and today we're going to be going over a few devices here. We're going to be going over the Gekko Science NewPAC Bitcoin miners, USB Bitcoin miners. Of course, the deeper network as usual. A little bit about the XYO tokens and the XOY findable devices. And a new network that I just found, the Mirror Network. Not to be confused with the other mirror network, such as MIR. So let's get into it. After the update, the Deeper Network did on, what was it, last Friday, I think it was. I've been seeing significant improvements in my my micropayment channel balance. So let's take a look at that right now. Wallet balance. So right now I have daily shared traffic 645 megabytes, and it's 200 above my daily consumed traffic. So that's what you really want to see. That'll increase your micropayments from the Deeper Network, and it'll increase your credit score. Increasing your credit score without paying for it, you'll get more rewards in the long run. So that's awesome. And like I've said in previous videos, I'm doing to try to increase my channel, my balance, my DPR is to increase traffic through my tunnels. So as of the update last week, we can now add 10 active regions for some more active tunnels. So I got West Asia, the Caribbean, Central America, North America, South America, East Asia, South Asia, West Europe, East Europe, North Europe, South Europe, and Australia and New Zealand. Now, West Asia I chose because United Arab Emirates, which has Dubai, and everybody knows a lot of economic growth in that region. So that's the reason why I chose that. Central America, of course, because of the largest city in the world, Mexico City. North America, of course, just because, all of us Americans, we're always on the internet spending our money. If we're not at work, hey, we want to spend our money. And same thing with North Europe, United Kingdom. The Brits, they're probably going to kill me for saying this, but they're kind of like us Americans. They want to spend their money just as much as we do. In Switzerland, West Europe, I chose that because of the unscrutinized banking system and how you can kind of just keep assets in Switzerland without the rest of the world being able to touch it. They have no extradition treaties or something on money, fiat currencies or something. So that's why I chose that. South Europe, Italy, and I just thought maybe an old world country, and Italy is probably one of the oldest. So going into the increasing the rewards a little bit more, what I'm also doing is adding IP addresses. When I see an IP address come up in my notifications on the main dashboard, I copy and paste that IP address, such as Apple, Google, what else? A new one that I'm seeing, Yahoo Mail I'm seeing in here, and that's a good one. Yahoo right here. Yahoo, Google, Apple, they're definitely in North America, so you add that to your smart IP list, and everybody, well, not everybody, but I'm assuming more people using Yahoo or Google or Apple in the US, which there probably are a lot, will be using the same IP address, and that'll increase the traffic. So add that to my smart IP list. Whenever I see a new IP pop up in my active tunnels, I copy and paste that, put it in my smart IP list also. And Colors Network, Google, let's see, colorsnetwork.com. I think that has to do with that new app that I just downloaded about the mirror network, and we'll get into that a little bit again. I'm seeing a lot of Amazon, a lot of Samsung Cloud. You know, you have to assume that all these are being used by, you know, a lot of people that you probably just pass on the street. Everybody we know, they're probably using the same stuff. So that just, it's a way to increase your traffic, your daily shared traffic, and you know, that's all we want to do with the deeper network, and as a community, that's all we want to do is increase our traffic, keep traffic flowing through our deeper network devices, and get more rewards for it. And again, setting up an active server, setting up a hotspot, those will of course increase the traffic through our devices even more. So let's move on to the next device I plan on reviewing here, and that's the NewPAC USB Bitcoin miners. So they plug into a USB hot port via your computer or USB hub, and I bought a triplet USB hub. It's has 16 USB ports, and I'll show you here. There they are. We got 16 of them, and the triplet box device is pretty big, but I haven't been disappointed so far. They're a bit expensive, but I did some shopping. I found the one on eBay for a little over $100, which is a pretty good deal because most of them are going for like $250. It did come from a smoking house, and I could smell the cigarette smoke as soon as the box arrived. But hey, I gave them a low review for the cigarette smoke, and hey, what else can you do? But the NewPAC Bitcoin USB devices to mine, you could get these off of eBay. I try to stay right around $97, $90. I try not to pay more than $110, including the device and shipping. And if you are shopping on eBay, or Walmart for that matter, Walmart's pretty much an eBay or an Amazon. It's actually a little bit better in some ways. You should definitely check out the Social Good app. Social Good app will give you 100% the cryptocurrency from Social Good back, and that's the SG cryptocurrency. The company is based out of Japan, and recently I've been seeing the price go up to like $2.18. So every dollar you spend on eBay, it was at 100% cryptocurrency back. Right now it's at 50% cryptocurrency back. So when I was buying these, I bought, like I said, I got 16 of them. I probably bought like 5 or 10 of these through the SG Social Good app, and I got 100% cryptocurrency back, and I doubled my money with those purchases because at $2.18, and every dollar I spend, you know, do the math. It was a pretty good investment, and I thank the other YouTube user for posting that in their videos because it's helped out a lot, and every little bit counts. So these devices, they're not going to mine much, but with the increased price of Bitcoin, hey, every little bit helps. And I see it as, if you're gonna disregard 50 cents, then 50 cents isn't gonna come as easy to you. So Definitely check those out, and every little bit counts. Plug that baby back in there, get that mining. And right now, my computer does not have enough CPU power to power all these USB hot plugs that I have plugged in. Sometimes it'll give me a notice if I plug in my printer like too many hot plugs. USB hot plugs are plugged into support. So with a more powerful computer, I could probably get a better hashing rate with these miners. Right now my hashing rate, I am on a pool. My hashing rate is 480.4 gigahash, and that's with one of these devices. It keeps going in and out because the computer just can't support it. But there's 15 running, and there's 16 ports on that triplet device. So, hey, like I said, every little bit counts. And so moving on to the next review, reviewing the Mirror Network. Again, I'll put the links in the video description below. And the Mirror Network should not be confused with the other network that is sort of like it. It's called Mirror Finance, decentralized finance protocol. So the Mirror Finance has a MIR token, and this is not that. The Mirror Network that I am talking about is a platform for open publishing, and the open publishing allows the Mirror Network to pay out their cryptocurrency to those that are writing and publishing content on their channel and through Twitter. So to create an account with the Mirror Network, you need to link your Twitter account and an Ethereum account, and they will pay you the Mirror token, which is equal to the Ethereum token. So they have to change the transaction code to match their token on the Ethereum network, but it equals out to be the Ethereum token. From what I'm understanding, I'm probably off somewhat, but and please leave a comment below if you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I've been in this cryptocurrency since 2017, and I'm learning everything. I'm learning something new every day with it. So getting into the Mirror Network, joining Mirror does not only make you a community member, it makes you a co-owner of the platform. As a result, our platform is a sum of our contributors. Let's Write is the crypto token for the Mirror Network. So it's a money symbol, Write, WRITE. You connect your wallet, and right now I guess like every week, or they do periodic Write races. So you put in a tweet on Twitter of the Mirror Network, and then they will verify your account. You connect your Ethereum account, and then you start writing blogs or posts through Twitter and on here, and you increase your score by people liking and people looking at your tweet or your write on the Mirror Network. That increases your popularity, increases your credit, and it just increases your payout of the Write token, of the Mirror token. So since it's an open publishing, it's a decentralized publishing protocol. Reading more into it, It's now open. It's been open since the beginning of this year. They launch economic blocks for crowdfunding, auctions, NFT editions, and splits, as well as a government governance product. So Mirror has evolved from a tool for writers to a full-stack Web3 creative suite for communities and DOAs. More than ever, we believe that every creative project starts with a story. Our goal is to make Mirror the best place to share your story with the world and build a highly engaged community around it, powered by world-class crypto-native tools. So it's pretty much like a Facebook, it's pretty much like a Twitter, all the social media apps out there, but you're getting cryptocurrency back. And who does not want to get a cryptocurrency back? Even with the regulations going on in China and the new regulations, the new bills being written in the U.S., who doesn't want to get into cryptocurrency right now? I'll go and sit at Panera Bread. I'll go and sit at Starbucks, and sometimes I'll be hearing retired Vietnam War vets and World War II vets talking about cryptocurrencies, and it just blows my mind. I would really like to talk to them more and just get them into it and become, maybe my own broker of cryptocurrencies, but something in the works, maybe. But again, I'll leave the link in the video description below with all this fun stuff. And what turned me on to the Mirror Network is I created an NFT last night. So I created my first NFT on this network, and it's pretty interesting. It's great. The only thing, I don't know if this is an NFT protocol or NFT specific action that you need to do with an NFT, but it asks for a 2-to-1 aspect ratio, which is not difficult to understand. Normal TVs are 780 or 1080 by 1080 and higher, so that means 1,080 squares down, 1,080 squares across. A 2-to-1 is two down, one across. So that is on the screen. So 2 down, 1 across. So that's a 2-to-1 aspect ratio. And there's many other websites out there that can explain it a little better, but that is the basics of it. Once you change your picture or whatever you create into a 2-to-1 aspect ratio, you can post an NFT on the Mirror Network, which I found it incredibly simple and incredibly easy to use. Just as long as you have the MetaMask or Twitter account set up, it's very easy. So hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more stuff. Bye.